Good morning, friends. First of all, let me introduce myself to you. I'm Rajni Chabra, numerologist, CEO, and founder of www.numeropa.com. I am into this line since 1989 and I operate through this site of mine for a wider approach on global level, and besides I offer one-to-one consultancy too. Today I'm going to start this series about numerology with the noble intention that people worldwide are benefited by this knowledge of mine and study of mine. First of all, we will begin with a brief introduction of numerology, how numbers impact our life right from birth. Numerology is the science of numbers. It's a predictive science. Numerology is flourishing day by day on global level irrespective of language, religion, and geographical boundaries. It is gaining wide recognition. Numerology is the study of numbers and their determining influence on one's life. Numbers are the prime causes which reform, rejuvenate, and reshape the trend of our life. They start their effect They start producing their impact on our life right from the moment of the birth and will continue to influence throughout the life. All the 9 planets are assigned with numerical value from 1 to 9 and govern the whole universe. In numerology, these numbers are called divine numbers. All the beings of this universe are categorized in number 1 to 9 according to their date of birth. And this date of birth assigns them the major traits of their life. They attain traits of the planet under which they are categorized. Knowledge of numerology helps to know our strengths and weaknesses, helps in accomplishment of our destiny by creating a positive environment and wiping our negative energy. It paves way to excellence in professional and personal life and helps us to know and shape our future. In numerology, numbers are manipulated to pave the path of life smoother for you. Numerology can provide guidance for any aspect of life, for example, education, health issues, personality grooming, career orientation, job, change in job profile and business, business expansion, matrimonial alliance, raising family, adoption, love, marriage, divorce, business deals, partnership, investment tips, political career, property dealing, naming ceremony, naming your form and residence, domesticity, and adjustment in life. Before moving further, you should be knowing how to count your birth number and your luck number. So, I will give you some easy tips of counting it. The whole universe is governed by planetary numbers 1 to 9. Each and every human being landed on the stage of Earth is assigned a number in accordance with his or her date of birth, which is categorized according to planetary number under which he or she is born. For example, 1, 10, 19, and 18th of any month is assigned birth number 1 and is associated with planet Sun, whose number is 1. Similarly, a person born on 2nd, 11th, 20th, and 29th of any month is assigned number 2 and is associated with Moon, whose number is 2. Number 3, 12, 21, and 30 of any month is assigned birth number 3 and is associated with Jupiter, whose number is 3. Similarly, a person born on number 4, 13, 22, and 31st of any month is assigned with birth number 4 and is associated with Uranus, whose number is 4. A person born on number 5, 14, and 23 of any month is assigned birth number 5 and is associated with Mercury, whose number is 5. A person born on 6th, 15th or 24th of any month is assigned with birth number 6 and is associated with Venus, whose number is 6. Similarly, a person whose date of birth is 7, 16 or 25 of any month is assigned with birth number 7 and is associated with Neptune, whose number is 7. Persons born on 8, 7 or 26th of any month are assigned birth number 8 and this number is associated with Saturn, whose number is 8. Persons whose date of birth is 9, 18 or 27 of any month is assigned birth number 9 and is associated with Mars, whose number is 9. Hence, a person who is categorized under a particular planetary number will develop qualities related to that planet and his life will be influenced by it. Friendly and unfriendly numbers of the particular planet will interact throughout his life, shaping his life accordingly. Personal attainments are governed by birth number and luck is governed by your luck number. So you should be also knowing how to count your luck number. For knowing your luck number, count sum total of your birth, date, month and year. For example, a person born on 2nd July 1981, 2/7/1981. So for this you will add, first of all you will add 2 and 7 and then add to it 1981 and its sum total will come to 28, which you have to further reduce to a single digit, that will come to 10, and reducing it to further digit it will come to 1. Hence your birth number is 2 and luck number is 1. And so what is in store for you due to your personal efforts? Read predictions for number 2, and what is in store for you due to luck? Read predictions for number 1. Thank you. This is all for today. In my next series, I will tell you about general characteristics of number and how they impact our personal grooming. Thank you.